Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one. I don't think that anyone has ever done anything like this, so pretty sure I'm the first one. Here I have a tutu skirt for a high chair. I used this for my daughter's first birthday. It's made out of tulle, and instead of throwing it away because I don't need it anymore, I decided to do something with it. And we're going to make yarn with this. So first off, you just want to take off all these strands. Once you do that, we'll go to the next step. Okay, I separated them by color because I had pink and white. So I put them into separate groups. I also left a couple strands because for the project that I'm going to do with this, I need some, and you'll see what I mean at the later on in the video. So let's do the pink one first so you can see it better. All you do is take one strip, see the end, fold it in half, and just cut it. Let's see. Just cut it like a little snip, not all the way through. I don't know if you can see this. Over here, I cut a little bit, only like halfway. You don't want to cut all the way through. Then you take another piece and you do the same thing. Cut it. So this is the piece we're gonna use. With your other piece that you cut, take the end that you didn't cut and put it through the hole, kind of part. So you put it through like this, and with the end that you cut, you put through the other end, and you just tighten it like that. And you want to be careful because this is pretty thin and it rips easily. So you can start rolling it up so it's out of the way. And leave the end over here. And you do this the same way. You snip a piece off. I would say just like 2 inches away from the ending so that it doesn't rip. You put your other piece through. And you snip on your new piece. And you put it through. And there you go. You can obviously get a new roll and have it all one piece and not do this, but the whole point of this is that I'm reusing this instead of throwing it away. That's why I'm doing those loops to connect them into one piece. And I'm gonna do them all. I'll come back when I'm done. So here's my yarn, and the project that I want to do with it is wall hanging. You need a stick. I just got this outside. Broke off kind of weird, which I can chop it up a little, but I'll just have it like this for now. You can also go to Walmart or any store and get like a, I don't know what it's called, like a plywood, smooth wood kind of stick. And you need a crochet hook. I'm using the biggest one I have, which is a 10mm size 9 hook. So you start off by making a slip knot. And you put it on your hook. Make it a little bit tight. Now you take your stick and you crochet the first row, single crochets over the stick. So if you can see, I go, here's the front of the stick. I take the hook back, grab the yarn, focus. It's kind of tricky with this. Grab the yarn on the back, bring it forward, and pull through both of these loops. Both of the loops, like that. And you can do as many foundation stitches as you want, depending on how big you want it to be. I think I'm gonna go to here. Just not too big, not too small. And I'll get right back to you guys once I'm done with that. Once you have the amount of stitches you want on your stick and you're done, you want at the very end, you want to just chain one as you're turning chain. Depending on what kind of stitches you're doing and design, I'm going for a half double crochet. So I just need to chain one. If you're doing a double crochet, you need to chain two. Flip your work and see these we will work right into them. So not this one, but this one, and just half double crochet. Okay, I will show you how to change colors right now. Also, there is another way you can do this. For example, if you just have pieces of tulle and you did not connect them the way I showed you in the beginning of the video, which is fine because you can do it this way also, just you'll have a lot of ends that you'll just have to work into your work. Okay, so for the next row, I want to do double crochet, so I need to chain 2, which I'm gonna do with this other color, my white color. So you just fold it in half. Just chain 2. You can leave the pink one, or you can cut it and work it into your work, which is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I chained 1, fold both of the ends. it's tight. And chain again. So you have 2 chains. Now turn your work and your ends. Just put them like that. Into your next loop. Don't forget to also have your ends in there. Because this way, at the end, you don't have to take out a needle and weave them in. So, that's how you do it. So if you're doing it this way by pieces and you don't have enough, so you have to add another piece. Like I said, with this, you have a lot of ends. And you just put through the other piece. And you keep going until you run out of that piece again. And you add your other piece again. Once you do a couple rows, you'll get used to this tool and it'll be easier. But yeah, that's how you do it. You can make any design you want. Use any type of stitches that you want. And I'll come back when I'm done. So this is my finished work. My attempt to make a heart. I mean, not bad for a first time, but still needs practice. Excuse my daughter in the background. So now I want to add at the ends like little tassels of extra tulle. So I just cut pieces and just fold them in half. Take your crochet hook and put it in. Pull this through. Pull this through and then just put it through this loop. And there you have, careful. There you have your little tassel. And that's how you do it for all of them till the end. Let me do this and I'll come right back. Okay, so this is the finished product. I put all these tassels on, but I want to trim them smaller so they're all the same size. I'm just going to cut them. As even as I can. And this is it. I'm just going to attach probably another piece of this for the hanging part. And you can just put it in a baby's room, anything, anywhere you want. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe with more videos to come. Bye.